So this is the Agisoft drone of the drone processing application. So today I'm going to show how to do the drone processing within this application. So before that we need to set up some performance vectors. So this is eliminate your system performance. So based on your system requirements, you please set all those things. Now check add photos. So I'm selecting all the photos. So after adding all the photos in that window, at the same time in the reference system, I'm adding these key points for the to be more accurate in my project. So here it is saying that listing northing and the elevation value. Based on the columns, it's just to set that numbers. Once complete all those things, just click OK and S2 all. The point GCP is visible here. So these are the points. So now I'm going to align my photos. Just click OK. Once arrangement completed. If you want to increase your project area, just choose this option. Just leave it. I'm going to do the GCP tagging with my GCP points. Just click on the photos on the each points. And just drag and drag. The points will change and keep it in the top of the marker board. So at least we need a 6-point tagging GCP. So after completion of all the points, just click point and the optimization. Just check all the options. OK. Images coming as per the GCP position, and you will get it. What is the tagging error of this project? And if you look for any checkpoint, just uncheck the point and select all the GCP, regenerate your camera optimization. This will be provided with overall project error. The tagging is different, checkpoint is different. Checkpoint is very, but overall server errors. Create mesh. So creating mesh, screenshot. So here for the first performance I'm doing with lower resolution. So that build the structure, complete the structure. Create point cloud. Once generate the point cloud data, please save the project. Then create them. So generate the digital elevation model based on the data. We can create our own site. Enable. Automation generated. So now created point cloud, digital elevation model, automation. Now how to extract DT? Let me can see it. For so currently I'm just unchecking that is a default option. To choose point cloud. So here based on your slope angle you change it the parameters and all. Here I'm giving 15. So the distance I'm giving 0.3. So it will be evaluate 0.3 meters from the ground, above the ground. So once you take the point, then you can generate a DTM model from the dim option. Here you can select only the ground point. So now our total processing completed. Generated point cloud, DTM, DEM. So we can see some analytical works here. Just I'm checking this volume. Just select this polygon tool, creating one polygon. After creating, just right click and see the measure value. This is the profile. This is the value. So they're having multiple options. Based on the terrain, you can choose the option. So now I'm going to export all the data. So we can export all the data. So here for the demonstration, I'm just exporting only Ortho Mosaic. Just clicking that Ortho Mosaic and save it is what you want to save. So here I'm just giving an export my actual coordinate system. So if you know, so I know my coordinate system it is falling in the 13N. So as per the 13N EPSC code is 32613. I'm typing. Native distance and that quality, whatever you want, you can change it. Export is completed.